Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Pragya, and in today's video I am going to share with you my haul of Purplle.com. So this time I have shopped some lipsticks and some other random stuff from Purplle.com. And Purplle.com is a website which I am recently liking so much because their delivering process and the products availability in their app is really very huge. So if you would like to know whatever I bought in this haul and how are the products, so please keep on watching this video till the end, and without any further delay, let's quickly jump into the video. So the first thing I want to show you guys is a makeup setting spray, and this is from Blue Heaven and the packaging looks like this. So this is a very nice purple color packaging. It's a cardboard packaging, and when you open this, here you get the product. Just look at the bottle, guys. The color is so nice. I am just loving the packaging, guys. So first you get a bigger cap which you have to remove first, and then inside it there is another cap which you have to remove, and this cap is really very sturdy, so you have to remove it and then you have to spray it on your face. So it has sort of a weird kind of fragrance which I don't like, but that's not very bad, and the product is really very nice because I have used it, and according to the price point it really does a very good job. So this cost 300 rupees. The MRP is 300 rupees and I got it on 210 rupees because in Purplle.com you will get some discounts often. So the items which you want, you can keep them in your wish list and you can wait for the discounts. So I just got this on 210 rupees, and at 210 rupees a makeup setting spray, and the quantity you are getting here is also very nice. So I really like this product and I highly recommend this makeup setting spray to you guys. So if you are on a low budget and you want a good makeup setting spray, you can give this a try. So you will not be disappointed with this product. So that is my first product, and the next product I want to show you guys is a highlighter, and this is from Wet n Wild. This doesn't have any outer packaging. It comes like this, and the MRP of this is 499 rupees and I got this on 434 rupees, and that is again a good deal because normally in Wet n Wild products you don't get discounts, but I got this on 434 rupees and I really like this highlighter, guys. I have used it. In fact, it is on my skin right now, so you can see. I really love this highlighter, guys, and this is in the shade Blossom Glow, and this is also available in two other different shades. So you have to open this, and here is some kind of flower design made on the top, and let me show you. So you can obviously apply this with a fan brush, but I personally like to apply highlighters with my finger because I think it does a good job. So can you see the pigmentation, guys? It is so much pigmented and the color and the shine is really very nice. I just love the highlighter, and let me show you how it blends. It blends so nicely, as you can see. So I really like this product and I highly recommend this highlighter to you. So the next product I have with me is a nail polish remover, and this is from NY Bay. So the bottle looks like this, and it also comes in different flavors and different colors. So the MRP of this is 49 rupees and I got it on 10 rupees off, that is 39 rupees. And I have used this nail remover and I really like this. It really does a very good job, and surprisingly it doesn't dries out your nail, which the other nail polish remover does. So I really like this product, guys. Normally if you use a nail remover which is below 50 rupees it really dries out your nails. At least for me it does that. But this remover is really nice. I really like this remover, guys. And the next product I have with me is a nail polish, and this is again from NY Bay, and the MRP of this is 75 rupees, and I got it on 20 rupees off, that is 55 rupees. And now I am wearing this nail polish, so I can show you. Just see it, that guys, I really love this nail polish. It has a different kind of a texture because it gives you a matte finish, but in spite of that it has a small glitter particles which you can, or you can say shimmer particles, and that's really gives a different kind of a shine. I mean, you are getting a matte nail polish, and that also has a different kind of a shine, which is really very nice. And I never have used this kind of nail polish. This texture is completely new for me, and I really like this one, guys. At 55 rupees you are getting so nice nail polish, and these are available in many different colors, and all the colors are really very nice. I am surely going to buy some other colors of this one. So next I got myself some lipsticks. So the first lipstick I want to show you guys is from Stay Quirky, and these are Stay Quirky mini lipsticks. So I have seen a lot of YouTubers talking about this Stay Quirky mini lipsticks, and for a long time I really wanted to buy one for me, and I really wanted to try them out, and this time I got myself one. So the MRP of this is 235 rupees, and I got this on 178 rupees, and that's a really very good deal. And let me show you the color. Okay guys, the wand I have to say is really very nice. Can you see the wand? This is so nice, and when you apply it, the wand is very smooth on your lips. It just glides on your lips like a magic. And let me close this. Okay, just see the color, guys. And I have used it on my lips, and these are so lightweight, and it gives you a matte finish, and these are obviously non-transfer lipsticks. So I really like this one, and I will highly recommend these mini lipsticks, I mean these Stay Quirky mini lipsticks to you guys. Just go and buy any shades you like. These have some amazing shade range, so you can choose according to your liking. So the next product I want to show you guys is again a lipstick from Stay Quirky, and this is a crayon lipstick, as you can see. So this has a same cardboard packaging, and here is the product. So this has a very nice and shiny silver body and a transparent cap. So I really like the lipsticks which has transparent cap, because it makes the color visible to you, so you can choose any lipsticks from your vanity which color you want or not. So it really helps to choose the color. So the price of this lipstick is 225 rupees, and I got this on 182 rupees. And this has to be sharpened when you need, and that's a very thumbs down because I don't like any product which I have to sharpen, because that's how we waste most of the product by sharpening it, and that's again a very hassle job. I really don't like that messy kind of work. And let me show you the texture. So this is a very nice purple color, as you can see. I really like the color, and the texture of the lipstick is also very nice, and this is very soft on your lips, and this is a matte lipstick. So I really like this one, and I highly recommend this lipstick to you guys if you like to sharpen it when you need. So that's a point, you have to keep that on mind. Otherwise everything about this crayon lipstick is 10 on 10. I really like this. And the next product I want to show you guys, this I got free because I have purchased so much. So this is from I Amsterdam, And this is again a liquid lipstick, and it has a cardboard packaging. It's a white color packaging. I like the packaging. And the product is this. This is a brown color lipstick, a liquid lipstick, and the price of this lipstick is 225 rupees. And the wand is again very nice. I will show you. And the texture is also very nice. In fact, I am wearing this on my lips right now. So just see the color, guys. It is looking a glossy, but when it dries out, it gives you a complete matte look. And you can see that's on my lip now, and it's completely transfer proof. Let me show you. Can you see? Anything is not coming off. So the texture of this lipstick is very nice. I really like this one, and I will highly recommend this one to you guys. So if you want any of these products, just go and check the link which I have shared in the description box below. So you can click on the link and buy if you like any product of this haul. So the next and the last two lipsticks I want to show you guys. These are from Darling Isabella. This is a new brand for me, and the lipsticks is 125 rupees each, and I got this on a discount at 62 rupees each. So I bought two of them, and let me show you the colors. So when you apply it on your hand, it gives a very waxy kind of a feeling. But trust me guys, I have applied this on my lips. In spite of a weird fragrance it has, the texture is really very nice, and the color payoff which gives it on your lips is better than the swatch. So the color is a very nice brown color. I really like the color. It has a weird smell which is a bit thumbs down for me, but the texture and the color payoff is really very nice, and it also stays on your lips for a good long time, and it has a matte finish. So if you want a matte color lipstick at this price point, so you can definitely buy this one. And at 62 rupees, what more can you expect guys? At that price point, these lipsticks are really a good deal. So the next one is a reddish kind of a color. Just see the color guys. And here is the lipstick. And the packaging of the lipstick is also very nice. As you can see, it has a baby pink color. I really like the packaging also. So that is it for today guys. If you like this video and found this video useful, don't forget to hit this a big thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and share this video with your friends, and also let them know what they can get from purplle.com. And by the way guys, this is not a sponsored video. I have purchased all these items with my own money. And also comment down below what you think about my videos, and even if you not, please feel free to share your comments. And also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. The links will be in the description box below. And until next time, stay happy, stay safe, and stay tuned. Bye bye guys.